Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be doing a live example on how I make hundreds of thousands of dollars purely from deving meme coins. I will be exposing my deving strategy on how I find my viral narratives, how I turn them into meme coins, where I launch them, and then how I cash out. So if you are tired of losing all your money just from trading or doing other stuff in the trenches, well, deving meme coins is for you. And by the way, I do not sell a course. This video is a free course, free of charge. All the information will be in this video. And by the way, bro, I am not a fucking LARP or a rat. I'm just here to show you how it's done because I've made a lot of money from deving, as you guys can see in my wallet. I know what I'm talking about. Anyways, let's get straight to deving. Now, most people in this space are still trading meme coins. For example, they're buying in and then getting dumped on, and they are wondering why they're not making any money. Well, what they're missing is that every single time you trade a coin, you are the one making the devs profitable. You are buying in these coins and entrusting your position to the creator of the coin. He can just dump on you directly and you have no control over that as a trader. The creator of this coin collects every single fees on every transaction from Pump.Fun, and he controls the supply. He can do whatever he wants, and that's exactly why I dev my own meme coins too. We can just launch, dump, and repeat that cycle endlessly until we have a big enough port to just do other stuff instead of deving, okay? Now guys, it costs nothing to make a coin, and that's exactly why we risk way less than traders, okay? So the question is, why be the trader when you can be the dev instead? Well, that's exactly why in this video I will be doing a live walkthrough. I am launching a coin on camera and showing you exactly how it's done step by step from zero to thousands of dollars. No gatekeeping, let's get straight to it. And by the way guys, I am not a financial advisor. I'm just here to educate you guys on the deving subject. This is not financial advice, so please bro, do your own research. Anyways, let's go. Now, when most people start deving meme coins on their own, well, Pump.Fun is a platform that they go to. It is the most recognizable name, so it feels like the default choice when it comes to actually creating coins. But that is where most people go wrong and make a bunch of mistakes. Pump.Fun is over fucking saturated. You guys already know this, but there's tokens launching constantly, okay? Thousands of coins launch every single hour on Pump.Fun, and most of them, okay, they just die instantly, and you are just wasting your time and money launching on Pump.Fun, okay? On top of that, Pump.Fun takes a cut from your liquidity and from your creator fees, so you are not fully in control from your coin. Now, the real goal as a dev is to get your coin in front of the Radium DEX, also known as the migrate section. Here is where a bunch of people are waiting to buy your coin. There is real liquidity and a bunch of volume here, okay? Personally, when I started trading meme coins, I was only buying Radium coins in the migrate section because they're way safer and they just have a better reputation than Pump.Fun. Now, getting your token to reach Radium on Pump.Fun is fucking slow, and you need a $33,000 pump migration price, which is like impossible to get unless you have a bunch of fucking volume and traders in your coin. So that's exactly why I personally use Create Meme.io. It's honestly the best fucking launchpad for Radium because it skips the entire bonding curve and your launch goes entirely to Radium immediately, okay? Instant exposure to thousands of active buyers right from launch. That's exactly why we use Create Meme.io, and you control all your coins. Now, there are a couple ways to make a coin on Create Meme.io. You could either make a coin from complete scratch if you have a community, a project, or you have a narrative in mind to turn into a meme coin. You can certainly make it here from complete scratch, or you can use their free Twitter tracker. Basically, there's a bunch of tweets coming out at every single second from viral accounts like Donald Trump, Elon Musk. All these people are tweeting every single day, and you can turn these tweets into fucking coins just like that, bro, like in a fucking second. That is really good. Or you can use this to trade meme coins. It's up to you, but yeah, it's free. Okay, you have another method which is called the vamping method, also known as the copy trending coins strategy. Basically, bro, these are tokens already gaining a bunch of momentum on Pump.Fun. They all have a good narrative right now, which means they have active buyers, they have real volume and a proven narrative. Okay, all these coins is a good coin to copy. Okay, so you copy a coin here directly to Radium. Okay, so you are stepping into existing demand, and then you are just reaching a bunch of traders, and since you copied a coin that is viral, well, you have a chance of getting a bunch of buyers, and you can even surpass the coin that you copied. But yeah, bro, you just have better odds for early profits. I will show you how it's done, bro. Let's go. Alright, let's dev a meme coin. Now first of all, bro, connect your Phantom wallet and then click on refresh, and then look for a coin that could possibly turn into a vamp. Oh wait, is it lagging? Yeah, click on refresh and then the coin should pop up. Okay, I'm gonna copy the Eli coin. Click copy to Radium. Wait for your Phantom wallet to pop up. Ignore the block, it's normal. Every launchpad is going to get this block at the beginning. Click on proceed and then confirm, and then checkbox and then confirm, and then the coin should be created in a couple of seconds. And then boom. And guys, if I go on view on SoScan, you guys can see here proof that it's minted 13 seconds ago. Everything is legit, it works. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is where we create our Radium liquidity pool, bro. Now guys, look, the first step is for the amount of coins. Here click on 90%. This would drop 900 million tokens for the supply. It's really important, and 90% is what I usually do for all my launches. It works well. For the amount of SO to pair, this is where you will be exchanging some of your Solana, okay, in your wallet for some supply. Now look, this is not a fee, it's not something you are spending, it's not a loss, it's nothing. You just need supply for the beginning to make profits at the end. Okay, I would highly recommend to put 0.3 SO. You are not losing this, you can get this back whenever you want. You just have to remove the liquidity, then click on create pool, wait for your Phantom wallet to show up, and then just obviously ignore the block. Click on proceed, confirm or understand, confirm. After that, bro, click on the refresh button and then scroll down, and being the Eli coin is live, your profits are going to show up right here. You have all your stats right here, and whenever you want to check how much you're up in profits during your launch, you can just refresh a page. And as you guys can see, we're up $128 because people are buying in, and this right here, guys, is a great sign that our coin is going to go fucking viral, or not viral, but you know, it's getting good traction. Our narrative that we copied is good. Obviously, go on your trading platform to see the chart if you want, then just give it some time. And as you guys can see, the coin is live. We are at the 1.2k market cap. Okay, do not worry if it goes down. This is completely normal at the beginning. Okay, more and more people are going to start flooding the coin. A bunch of attention on Radium is going to fucking hit your coin. Okay, and then hopefully people are going to start buying in because we copied a viral narrative. So hypothetically, we should get a bunch of buyers soon. Just give your coin some time for it to breathe and for it to pump. $55 buy, $76 buy. This is exactly what I'm talking about. And by the way, I am not doing any promotion, okay? I'm just like you launching a coin. Look, but this strategy is different. We're utilizing the vamping method and Radium to get organic buyers. I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to pump. When I come back, I'm going to show you how to cash out, and then we will see how much we're up, which is what everyone is waiting for. Anyways, we're back. Alright Alright guys, I am back and let's cash out our profits, bro. Dude, this coin is kinda decent, right? I'm not going to lie. I've seen better. I think we made a decent amount of money. So come back to create meme.io and then click on the refresh button right here. And as you guys can see here, bro, 2.2k is what we are going to receive, bro, which is not too bad, but 26.0 is actually kind of crazy. Now click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity, wait for your phantom wallet to pop up. Come on, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm I understand, and then confirm. And bang, bro, that's exactly how it's done from start to finish, bro. We just cashed out on this deving meme coin in front of you guys, and look, in my phantom wallet, bang, 2.2 bands straight inside my phantom wallet. It's all legit, bro. Create meme.io will be linked everywhere, or just go on Google and type in create meme.io. It's up to you, bro. Like, comment, subscribe, stay consistent, and launch coins over and over again. And if you want to win 5 Solana like this guy right here, just like, comment, subscribe, join my Telegram, join my Discord, and good luck to everyone who enters for this giveaway.